Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab stock? In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of Rocket Lab. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, and we are here now to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Rocket Lab as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.79. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 122.33% since we first listed Rocket Lab as a buy candidate 66 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.85% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of 106.43% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 77% to 147.73%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 131.73%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from 31.14% to 167.65% over the next year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price between $59.16 and $120.74. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab includes the headline, Rocket Lab stock price down 4.89% on Monday. The Rocket Lab stock price fell by 4.89% on the last day, which was Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, from $47.43 to $45.11. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.46%, with a daily low at $44.41 and a daily high of $48.17. The price has shown volatility during this period and has seen a gain of 4.4% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 20 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $910.4 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $53.44, while the lowest price was $4.20. Currently, the price is 15.59%, or $8.33, below the 52-week high of $53.44, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab Corporation, trading under the ticker RKLB, recently garnered significant attention, with its stock achieving a remarkable 769% surge over the past year. Following a peak at $53.44, which marked a new all-time high, some analysts suggest that a healthy pullback could offer strategic entry points for investors. As of late July 2025, Rocket Lab's valuation remains compelling, particularly when contrasted with SpaceX's valuation from 2019. Highlighting the potential for growth in the space and defense sectors. Initiatives like the Golden Dome Missile Defense Project and increased European defense spending are anticipated to create further opportunities for Rocket Lab in the coming decade, especially as public perception of SpaceX's leadership has become less favorable. Despite recent price fluctuations, with shares sliding 8.17% in a recent trading session, overall momentum remains positive. Investors are encouraged by Rocket Lab's strong growth trajectory, backed by innovative projects like the Electron rocket and expanding space systems capabilities. In the short term, the stock's volatility could attract speculative trading, potentially leading to further fluctuations in price. However, the the long-term outlook remains bullish as macroeconomic trends align favorably with Rocket Lab's strategic position in a growing market. With ongoing advancements and potential contracts, RKLB is poised to gain even more traction in the aerospace sector, solidifying its status as a notable competitor in the space industry. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RKLB a hold rating with an initiate action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RKLB a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18th, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 12.22%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Rocket Lab stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $47.90. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $37.26. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal from 46 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $38.88. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $36.14 and $35.38. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $3.76 between its high and low, or 8.46%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face challenging times, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it might signal insufficient profit and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at -7 cents per share. It's crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab is at $47.19. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a significant point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rocket Lab meets its first support level at $38.88. Should this support level prove to be sturdy, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of July, 2025, Khosla Ventures V. LP conducted an insider sale of 3 million shares of common stock. On the 2nd of July, 2025, Khosla Ventures V. LP conducted an insider sale of 2 million shares of common stock. On the 24th of June, 2025, St. Hill Merlin conducted an insider sale of 4,053 shares of common stock. On the 24th of June, 2025, St. Hill Merlin conducted another insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, St. Hill Merlin conducted an insider sale of 1,700 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -28.668. Overall, insiders purchased 59,081,484 shares and sold 123,155,331 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $42.97. Reflecting a decline of 4.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicating a pivot top that was identified 6 days ago. Is Rocket Lab stock a good buy? Several indicators are currently negative, and we believe this will impact the company's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think that at today's price level, there is a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of July, we expect Rocket Lab to open higher by 0.785 and start trading at 45.90. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from everyone here at StockInvest.